Morning, Mr. Sean. Today, me and my teammate will introduce how medicine related to our society. So, medicine play an important role in society. This is a bridge between the society and the science. Medicine regulates patient-focused health profession, which is developed to the health and well-being of patients. It also improves the quality of human life. Now, we have thousands of medicine in the world. We can easily get medicine from the pharmacies nearby. But why we need medicine? Why humans always depend on medicine? What medicine do to our body? How medicine benefit to humans? Now, we have example below. The first example is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin, meaning that your body doesn't store it. So, we should get the amount of vitamin C that we need from our food. For example, broccoli, citrus fruit, or tomatoes. According to the scientific research, instead of orange, actually papaya is the fruit which contains the most vitamin C. We need vitamin C for growth and repair of the tissue in all parts of our body. It helps body to make collagen. Vitamin C is required for healing of wounds and repairing and maintaining bone and teeth. Vitamin C is necessary to make certain neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters are the signals that carry through the feeling command around our brain throughout our nervous system.
The other example, which is morphine. Morphine is an opioid pain medication, which means that morphine can help patient reduce the painless. Sometimes an opioid is also called narcotic. It is also used to treat moderate to reduce the painless. The extent release form of this medicine is from around the clock treatment. It does not for treatment for short-term pain. Normally it is used for those patients who, after surgery, they could also take morphine before the surgery. There are some important information and knowledge that we have to know before we take morphine. Morphine must not give to the patient who have breathing problem, block ache in your stomach, or a bowel obstruction called paralytic issue, illness. They could not take morphine because morphine can slow or stop their breathing. Morphine cannot be used for long term or too much. Morphine also a kind of drug. It may cause you addicted on it. So morphine could not be given someone with a history. You have to give the permission for your doctor before you take morphine. Morphine need in medication. We have to use it wisely, but not overuse it.
Last but not least, we have the paracetamol. We all know that paracetamol is used to treat many conditions such as headache, muscle ache, arthritis, and fever. Paracetamol is one of the most widely used drug in the world, with pack available for a little as 25p without a prescription. We thought the drugs are deemed to be harmless, but large quantity can cause serious side effects. Since paracetamol is so easy to get it, there are some young people daring each other to take excessive amount of it. Even police and school have issued a warning to parents about the paracetamol challenge. It is a potentially leader social media there that appeal to encourage young people to abuse over the encounter painkillers. We all know that we take an excessive amount of drugs will damage our liver and kidney failure. Officers and school have written to the parents to alert them about their children doing the challenge. They also have told ITV News that young people were daring each other to take excessive amount of paracetamol. They are urging parents to talk with those children about danger of taking an excessive amount of paracetamol. Unfortunately, there are victims share some important personal experience. Like one of the victims is the innocent died from doing this naive challenge. Besides that, there is one student have liver damage at the age of 18 from the paracetamol overdose. There is one mother called Mandy also. She lost her daughter in 2011 after overdosing on paracetamol. Her daughter took too many tablets following a split from her partners and collapsed a few days later. She was sent to the hospital, but unfortunately, she died the next day.
All these three types of medicines can be afforded by most of the people and it's easy to get and everywhere. It's like part of our life. However, these are the main reasons of drug abuse and it will also destroy our environment. Medical waste is defined by anything that contains bodily fluids or waste such as surgical gloves, needles, swabs, body organs, cultures, and even bloody bandages. Medical waste can come from hospitals and veterinary clinics as well as laboratories and research facilities involving stem cell research or those creating medicines or chemicals for healthcare use. Sometimes such type of waste end up in the ocean and are potential hazards and not only to the ocean environment but to humans who come into contact with it. Toxins from medical waste dumped into the ocean not only affect the marine life but also organisms who eat these plants or fish that have ingested waste. Such medical waste as drug or culture dish pollution or toxins are then passed along food chains in the oceans and can affect everything from sea corals to whales. Humans, on the other hand, who eat tainted seafood and plants will be affected by these harmful toxins, severely affecting their growth, development, and health.
Background levels of antibiotics in the environment may be rushing the emergence of difficult to control antibiotic-resistant pathogens. Bacteria share genes across the species and so increased drug resistance in one species can cross into another, more pathogenic species. It is found that drug-resistant bacteria populations are much more common in environments where antibiotics are heavily used. For example, in samples from dairy farms where livestock is treated and from lakes that receive emission from hospitals. Antibiotic-resistant bacteria are up to 70% more common than in uncontaminated environments. We call the witch's brew of drugs, referring to pesticides and other trace chemicals in environments, is acting up and causing adverse effects on wildlife. For example, it is found that the low concentration of trace in the amounts of antidepressant, fluoxetine, and herbicide do not affect water fleas. But if water fleas are exposed to chlorfibric acid and fluoxetine, the mixture will kill more than half the population.